We are an integral part of our society. We grow in the company of our parents, grandparents, relatives, and neighbors. The life of people in a society is interdependent. We develop through mutual cooperation, and this in turn ensures social and national progress. We must contribute to this progress, for which it is necessary to do our duties. Good conduct on our part will promote happiness and make everybody's life joyful. The good practices that we follow while dealing with others can broadly be described as the observance of one's duty. Let us begin with the personal duties. We spend a major part of our time in the company of our family members, neighbors, and friends. We come together on many occasions. We play together, study in a group, participate in a contest. We enjoy being together while traveling. We share our joy and happiness while celebrating festivals. If we behave in the best possible manner and understanding on all these occasions, everybody can enjoy the occasion better. The good habits and attitudes should begin with ourselves. We should be clean and pleasant in our appearance. This is possible only when we develop good habits concerning health. By taking a balanced diet, we can keep diseases away. Regular exercise helps us remain fit and fine. We can participate in school activities enthusiastically if we are in good health. Our home too should be clean and tidy. We should not throw the garbage on the streets. It should not be dumped in rivers or nalas either. Wet and dry garbage should be kept separately and disposed of properly. We should treat our family members with love and respect. The old and the physically challenged members of the family need special care and attention. No harm should be done to them. The area around our house must be kept clean and hygienic. People in each locality can come together for this purpose and try to make it beautiful. Next are social duties. We spend a lot of our time in school. We love our school just as we love our family. We must come forward to clean and beautify our school campus. It is our duty to respect our teachers. We should complete the homework and other supplementary activities with enthusiasm. The teacher's pat on the back when we do that is indeed encouraging. It is also our duty to inquire after and comfort a friend who is not well. It helps us to make the friend feel better. Our pets and other birds and animals that we see add to our pleasure. We should take care not to harm them. While celebrating festivals, we should avoid certain things. We can enjoy music without causing noise pollution. There are certain rules about this. We must follow them scrupulously. Even otherwise, the volume of our radio and television sets should be moderate. Utmost care should be taken to protect our water resources from being polluted. Water is a very precious commodity. We should use it economically. Coming to consumers' duties. We buy many things from the market. Sometimes we realize that certain commodities have not been weighed correctly. Sometimes we are given articles of an inferior quality. Sometimes we realize that we have bought medicines without checking the expiry date. In all these incidents, we find that we have been cheated. It is necessary to be vigilant when we buy various commodities so that we don't get cheated. We are a consumer or customer when we buy something. As a consumer, we have certain rights. We must see whether the price of a commodity is reasonable. We should never buy products that are soiled or damaged. Expiry dates on packaged food items must be checked. Before buying anything, we must ascertain the date of manufacturing and the date before which an item is recommended for consumption. We should ask for a receipt of every item purchased. Such vigilance on our part can help in preventing undesirable episodes of cheating. Before we end the chapter, let us get some more information about the marks of quality and standard. 1. ISI mark. While buying electrical appliances, pressure cooker, cooking gas stove, certain tires, toilet soaps, helmets, etc., we should check out for the ISI mark as displayed on the screen. 2. AG mark. While buying containers, tins and packets of food grains, pulses, edible oil, ghee, butter, honey, spices, tea, etc., we should check out for the AG mark as displayed on the screen.